Hello, our dear beloved Jumia customers. Jumia is extremely happy with you for your trust and confidence on Jumia products and services. It is obvious that your trust on Jumia products and services has motivated you often to order for one product or the other on Jumia store, even to the point of making payments before delivery. Wow, this is amazing, and it's a great trust that ought to be reciprocated. Jumia really appreciate that trust you have in us. However, in our quest to serve you better, has brought us into this section, this wonderful section. From now henceforth, we shall be using some videos to instruct some, if not all, our customers how to shop on Jumia, how to use all the functionalities on Jumia website. You know, Jumia website is a very complex website. You can take a look at this. All these are options that actually may take a customer some time to understand, but you take it up now as a responsibility to teach you how to use them. Yes, we don't want you to have issues while using Jumia website. Also, we shall update you with videos how to take part in our Jumia promos and the voucher giveaways. All these and more are what we intend to use to satisfy you and make sure you have no challenges while shopping on Jumia. To stay connected with us and to get more of our instructions on how to shop on Jumia, stay connected to our Facebook page, and most importantly, you should subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Wish you good luck as you continue to shop on Jumia.